Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing cameras from Canon, the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R7. We'll be looking at their features, performance, and more. So let's get started. Let's begin with the price. The Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Canon EOS R7 comes in at $1,499. Both cameras offer incredible value for their respective price points. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, which captures stunning and detailed images. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 boasts a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and sharp photos every time. Now, let's talk about autofocus. The Canon EOS M200 impresses with its fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. It allows you to capture sharp and focused subjects effortlessly. Similarly, the Canon EOS R7 features the Digic X image processor, enhancing performance and providing ultra-high-definition videos. For videographers, both the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R7 offer fantastic video capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse, along with vertical video recording. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 allows for high-speed continuous shooting at up to 15 FPS, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like cars and wildlife. And there you have it. The comparison between the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R7. Both cameras have their own unique strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. Which one is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.